welcome to my channel, whichever one makes sense for you. It is Monday, it's 11:41, and I am taking you with me on my day. I woke up before this moment, but I had a meeting earlier today and I did not do my skincare, so I just did that now. Now we're gonna have some brunch because, you know, it's a little too late for breakfast. So I bought these the other day at Walmart, and it's like a mini smoothie pack. You just add milk or water to it and you shake it up and then it's a smoothie. I had one yesterday and it was fine. It wasn't too bad. But then I realized that these only have like 1 gram of protein, and I thought that they had more than that. So I'm gonna try to make this, and I'm gonna add some protein to it to make it more protein filled. And then I'm also gonna have a bagel with peanut butter for breakfast because that sounds really good right now. Okay, hi, it's a couple hours later. I am in the car now because I need to go to the store to pick up a couple things. It's not something that I can wait until after work to get, so going to do that. It's around 2 p.m. We're gonna go to lunch. We're gonna go get lunch instead of making lunch. I don't feel like cooking right now, so I think we're gonna go to Qdoba. I'm a Qdoba girly, and we're gonna get a burrito bowl. But in the meantime, I need to run to Target, and then from there, we'll go get some lunch, and then after that, we'll go back to work. I had my 2 meetings of the day. I don't have any meetings after this, so it's okay for me to like run to the store super quickly. But I have my agenda for the week. I am excited to get it all done. I do normally get my stuff done relatively quickly. And yeah, I love my new job. I've been at my new job for a couple of months now, and I'm happy with the growth that I've had since I started. And I love my boss. She's amazing. Unrelated to my job, I am on a quest to find a Nintendo GameCube. I've reached out to some people on Facebook Marketplace. Nobody has responded though, which is literally so frustrating. Why would you list something and then not respond? Stupid. I have been waiting on a response from this guy and he hasn't responded to me, but also I don't think that my messages are delivering, which is really, really annoying. So I reached out to Facebook Marketplace to see if there was anything wrong with my account to make sure that like I don't have any violations or suspensions, which I don't think that I do. But yeah, I'm on a quest to find a Nintendo GameCube. I got 2 games already for it, so I'm really excited. So yeah, maybe we'll go to the store after work before they close and see if they have a GameCube there instead of me waiting for this guy on Facebook Marketplace because I'm getting frustrated. I will see you at Target. from the store. The haul is toilet paper. Yeah, that's it. But I also did get Qdoba, got a Dr. Pepper, and I also got a burrito bowl with lettuce, corn salsa, chicken, black beans, white rice, cheese, and sour cream on top. I haven't had Qdoba since I was literally in high school, so this is really a blast from the past for me. And then also got some chips. I am going to move over to my couch and I'm gonna eat lunch, and then I'm gonna be working from my couch for the rest of today instead of at my desk. So I'm gonna put the toilet paper away and then we'll eat some lunch. It's a couple hours later. We are back in the car. I'm on my way to a store for me to go buy this video game console because the listing that I was talking about earlier that's online from this guy and he's not responding. Yeah, so that listing was from over a year ago, so obviously it's not available anymore. I don't know why it's listed as available then. But yeah, I messaged the guy saying, hey, I didn't realize this was from a year ago, so like ignore the fact that I'm inquiring about it. So I'm gonna go pick it up at this consignment shop and then I'll have it, and that's really exciting. And then I might go to, if it's open, I'm gonna get a HDMI adapter for the AV1 and 2 that's on the TV, because I tried using the AV1 and 2. Oh my goodness, it is so shaky. I'm so sorry. But the AV1 and 2 didn't work when I tried to just plug it into my TV, but it worked with the HDMI. So I'm gonna see if they have a converter. If not, I'll get one off of Amazon. But yeah, we're gonna go pick this up, and this is really, really exciting. So I got the goods. I'll do a little unboxing. So I got this from like a consignment store. So, well, not really a consignment store. It's, I don't know what else to call it, but it's just like a bunch of different vendors rent out booths and then they sell their stuff. So this guy sells vintage and retro gaming. So I got the GameCube. Let me pull it out. Here she is in all of her glory. She's beautiful. Opens and closes. And there was so this was $85 with all the cords and everything. That's not that bad in my opinion. And I was just like, you know, I'll splurge on the 85. And then I got a memory card because you can't play games without a memory card for the GameCube. I got an AV to HDMI converter, and then I got an additional game because I love Avatar: The Last Airbender, so I got this and I'm so excited. It comes with the manual and the disc, which is like very much rare to find with Nintendo games or Nintendo GameCube games. So I completely forgot that I was supposed to meet with my friend and we would plan a trip that we are doing in December. We're going to Copenhagen, which is very exciting. So I am going to head home and have a quick little meeting with her, book my flight. Oh my goodness. The little road bumps in here are absolutely insane. They're insane. Anyways, so I'm gonna book my flight, and then from there I'll be able to go to the gym, and then I'm gonna try and play my GameCube tonight. I really shouldn't. I should be packing instead, so maybe I'll pack a couple boxes and then I'll play a game. We'll see. 11:03, 11:04, and I told myself that I was going to pack at least a couple boxes tonight. I would like to be in bed by midnight reading my book, cozy and comfy. Yeah, so that's the vibe. But we're also moving, so you know, we gotta get our stuff done. To give a recap, I went to the gym. I had a really good workout. I did legs today. The only thing is that my headphones died before I got there, so I couldn't like be in the zone, but it was still a good and productive workout. I was able to hook up my GameCube and it works, and I'm very happy about that. And I played Ratatouille for a little bit. It was very fun. Maybe like 15 to 20 minutes, like nothing too crazy. And then I just showered. I did my skincare just like this morning, and now I am about to start packing. And I think what I'm gonna do is this back room right here has a bunch of boxes that are packed, but there are some things that I could consolidate into one box instead of like carrying multiple bags the day that I pack. So I'm gonna bring some boxes in there and then do some organizing and pack like that instead of just bringing out another box here. I want to get some tubs tomorrow for my decor, so that's the one thing that I'm not going to pack. And then I also want to get big tubs for my books because I don't want those to go in a regular cardboard box. They're not strong enough to hold all the books that I have. So we're gonna pack a little bit and then we're gonna go to bed. Welcome to this random storage room that I have in my apartment because it's so small that you can't really make it into anything except for storage. But if I move this box out of the way, you can see that I've got some boxes already here that are already packed, so I don't have to worry about that. It's just consolidating some of the stuff that's like around here. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. Alright everybody, it is a couple minutes till midnight and I just want to give you guys a little bit of an update. So I packed a medium-sized box and then I packed a large box which is on the floor here, but I think like a day or two previous I had packed this small box, this plastic tub, and then another one of these medium boxes. I decided to put all the boxes that have already been packed in this room so that I can have some space because I still have a couple weeks before I move, so I need to have like a living room that I can live in, you know what I'm saying? I did honestly some pretty good progress. I'm going to try and keep up this momentum for the rest of the week. I would say this is a lot more organized, so I'm happy with how this turned out. But now it is time for me to say goodbye because I'm going to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. I am very sorry for the lack of upload consistency, moving, and then dealing with a new job and making sure that I'm, you know, doing well mentally and putting my physical body ahead is really tough. So I really appreciate your guys' patience as I try to navigate this. And hopefully when I do move and I have a bigger space, it'll be a lot more nicer and it'll be a better environment to film in instead of being so cramped. So anyways, I appreciate you guys sticking with me and subscribing anyway, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.